Not sponsored.
Hi, I'm Marlon, and I'm getting ready to order a Deluxe Fender Telecaster online. Let's go to the Fender Custom Shop Guitar Builder and see what we can do regarding building a Deluxe Telecaster. Alright, here we are at the site. Okay, let's pick out Telecaster. And let's see about a sunburst body. And then let's see with neck, we'll go with a, let's try a C to D Telecaster neck. Go with a rosewood fingerboard. Go with a tortoiseshell pickguard. Pickups, I'm going to go with the noiseless pickups. Okay, then I want to go with some locking tuners. Go with the standard bridge. Definitely get some strap locks, and also I'm going to go with the gold hardware. Go with the .009 strings. And the price of this is $2,324.99. That's a little bit too expensive for me, so I'm going to have to find another option here. The Solo Telecaster guitar kit was unboxed. The replacement parts were examined, which consisted of noiseless pickups, locking tuners, a bone nut, replacement bridge, electronic harness, and strap locks. The fretboard was taped off with blue painter tape. The neck was sanded using number 120, number 180, number 220, and number 320 sanding blocks. Six coats of TRU-OIL finish were applied to the neck. A decal was applied to the headstock and treated with 6 coats of clear lacquer. Locking tuners were installed using a socket wrench and a screwdriver. Fret ends were filed and frets were polished with number 400 steel wool. The bone nut was installed and glued into place using super glue. Holes were drilled and the string trees were screwed into place. The pickups were installed in the pickguard and in the bridge. The KWIKPLUG wiring harness was installed. The pickup switch, volume pot, and tone pot were attached to the control panel. The pickups were connected to the KWIKPLUG harness and the ground wire was connected to the bridge. The bridge and the output jack were screwed into place. The pickups and electronics were tested using a screwdriver and an amplifier. The pickguard and control panel were then screwed into place. The strap locks were screwed into place. The neck was connected to the body using a neck plate and 4 screws. The guitar was strung, string height was adjusted, and intonation was set. This is the final results. Now you've seen how I made the guitar. Now let me show you how it sounds. We'll start with the bridge pickup, move the middle position, and then the neck pickup. Here it goes. Fun here. Go. In conclusion, you got to ask yourself, do you want to spend $2,500 for a Deluxe Telecaster? Or do you want to spend $400 and build your own Deluxe Telecaster? You decide. Hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.